In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify can't play this right now if you have the file. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open Spotify, then you want to go to the top left and select on your profile picture, then go ahead and select on settings and privacy. Once you're over here, please go to the search bar, then go ahead and look up local audio files just like so, then go ahead and select on it. And basically, you want to make sure that where it says local audio files that it is actually turned on, and that is going to allow Spotify to actually access your device files. So please make sure that is turned on because it is incredibly important. And if things aren't working, what you may need to do is you may need to go ahead and clear the Spotify cache. And basically, sometimes Spotify could accumulate dead files and stuff like that, and that is not good. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your settings. Then you want to go to the search bar and type in apps right over here. And you can do this both on iOS and Android devices, obviously, but the UI is going to look slightly different. But anyways, all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar, look for Spotify, then go ahead and select on storage right over here. And then from there, you guys now have the option to clear the Spotify cache. And if that's not working, what you could also do is to re-download or re-add the local files. So if it's a local file, Spotify needs access to it on your device. Make sure that the file isn't moved, renamed, or deleted in the middle of the process. So again, just make sure that you 100% have it in the correct location. But if that's still not working, what you could also do is delete Spotify and then reinstall it and see if that gets the job done. If there's any other suggestions you have, let me know in the comment section down below. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you later, French fries.